Oh my goodness, hi, hello, I didn't even see you there. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to make your face look different. Step one is to be born beautiful. Next step, raid your local kindergarten for horse hooves. Take the horse hooves and aggressively apply them to your face. Wow, perfect. You're gonna want to take your toothbrush, preferably the one that you use to brush your teeth, because who doesn't love horse hoof teeth? I know I do. And then you take that and you just like, slather it in through there. Do that for a bit until you don't have any more eyebrows, because eyebrows are for humans and we do not want that. If you are like me, with giant beastman eyebrows, you are going to need at least 40 coats of the horse bones. It actually has a cow on it as a mascot, so maybe it's cow bones. Kind of fucked up. But anyway, just keep applying until you think your brows are gone, and then they still won't be at the end, but it'll look great. Hit up your local dealer for some cocaine, and just gently but firmly apply it to your eyebrows. Not too firmly, but also make sure it's still gentle. And wow, who could have thought I could be more gorgeous? Step 5? I don't know. Pick a foundation that matches your skin tone. I choose white because I'm a clown. Just dab, 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 until your pores are struggling to breathe and you're slowly suffocating your skin. Undoubtedly, this will age you dramatically. But right now it doesn't matter because you'll look beautiful. More cocaine! Wow, who are they? Unrecognizable. Is this the finished look? Are they ready for the grocery store? No. Next step. Liquid latex. I think it's backwards, but you can read. It smells like old ghost cum. It says for adult use only, and I know what you're thinking. Do not douche with it. I know, tempting, but don't do it. Okay, focus. Take a shitty brush that you don't care about because you're gonna ruin it. And just paint some on your face. Take a wee little cotton pad and press it on in. I just remembered I have a latex allergy and I can already feel it burning, but we're committed now. So here's the thing. It's hard to talk now, but I'll do it for you. You'll just want to confidently pretend that you know what you're doing and just slather it on there. Blah, 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 blah. Do that a million times until it's blended. It's not dry, but I'm impatient. So I'm going to grab some scissors and just slice into your face. Oh, wonderful. Alright. And then we're just gonna like peel that. Cool. Great. At this point, you're probably thinking, what the fuck is happening? Gonna want to get in there with some black. Wow, such depth. Amazing. Do that to both sides until it looks real. Next, you're gonna want to find where your lip is. I don't know where mine is. But find it, and then put it on your face. You want to know how I got these scars? I literally just showed you. Alright, so as you can see, I went in with a soft, subtle, casual blue. Yeah, just do that and you'll be ready to go. And next, we're gonna need some blood. We all know how to do this, right? You just stick it in and hold up. Great. You're gonna want to let that oxidize and congeal a bit. Then you're just gonna want to smear that all over your face. I'm using a spoon because I'm civilized. Tastes great. I gave myself a lip liner because that seemed important. But as you can see, that's my mouth. Just a little bloop, bloop, bloop here and a bloop, bloop, bloop there. Don't forget the contour. Do you feel beautiful yet? Trick question. You were already beautiful. And now you look like this. And on that note, thanks for watching my tutorial. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, bye.